some shit like that, you dig? And I had some shit like, come on, that be like, started off hustling, trying to make a meal. Nope, started off broke slinging, trying to pay the bill. Flying in the middle of the night, trying to get it when the sun hit the city. I was just getting finished, don't know where to go. Get it, got the thing with me, and I done roll. Watch out for the cops, so niggas don't like joke. When I'm not around, then they gon' so. When I come around, then they won't so. Make me get the man, come and cut it up. She a bad bitch, still I ain't trying to cut her up. No, she want a real nigga, getting all this money up, but I don't do the handcuffs. I'ma shine when the time grind till I get a paralyzed to the justifier. Let him get my nigga life. Ride with the thing before I let that nigga earn a sight. Money team, bitch, I got 100 dreams, 100 schemes, triple beams, triple white. On the scene with the pipe, on the scene, bitches like niggas with the money in the cars and the flying light. So I'm trying to ball like an NBA highlight. Guns go boom, nigga, we can start a bomb fight. Walk up in the trap, all you see is niggas ripping ice. Real nigga, money bigger. All gold, why you think hoes digger? Lord knows I'm a D-Rose, nigga. Straight to the top, looking down at you slow, nigga. Keep your name strong, click it back on. All my bitches switched on me till I came home. Fucking with that white girl, got that nigga sprung. Hustling Christine, though, 4 million. Kid like Orange One, got the mention max. Free all of my niggas in the prison on max. I'ma kill a game in the witness, that's a bet, not a threat. Niggas lame, I'm the best ever came. And I'm going to the top, from the beans to the Hall of Fame. Going to the block and I'm selling out the whole thing. Poor house snitches, they be telling niggas whole name. They don't want to see me shine, head on me a damn shame. Will it rain? I don't know. I'm full of pain. What a purpose that can kill you with the kindness, but the bullets get you murked fast. If he got some bricks, we gon' find out where that work at. Give it to him. Let him have it. White girl flipping like nail gas. Bitch, I said dope and cocaine. Straight from the bean to the Hall of Fame.